It's rainy and it's gloomy and my battery's dead. But thankfully it's a manual. Oh, this is so heavy. Fuck, WRXs. Okay, I might need 2 people for this. Ready? Oh, we're kind of getting somewhere. I'm like, my neighbors probably think I'm stupid right now. Ah! No way! It worked! Let's go! Up next, I think we need some tire shine. Still out of breath. All right, we have like this box, we have like these 2 boxes. It's a mess right now, it's an absolute mess. We're going to Seems Legit Garage. Now I gotta load up these heavy ass boxes. This time we are in my WRX. This is an absolute piece of shit. I'm surprised it's even driving right now, but we are heading to Seems Legit Garage to supercharge my BMW. Don't know why I just put a mint in my mouth right before I recorded, but whatever. Got the Subaru parked up, about to hop in the BMW, pull her into the shop. Hold start with the new temporary exhaust setup. Jesus, that's loud. If you didn't know, we did catless headers in the previous video, and well, the whole goal is to make this car faster than a Nissan GTR. It's a weird benchmark, I know, but we're gonna try it. Doesn't hurt to try. So that's why we're about to supercharge it. Bro, we got a smart motherfucker right here, bro.
So, are we the...
Look at that. Oh yeah. It's your Halloween costume?
Yeah, I am Batman's version.
Seems legit bad. I came to supercharge your car. Say hello to our future for the next week.
Amazon boxes, baby. Look at us.
So this is all Amazon. This is all Active Auto Works parts that I ordered that didn't come in the kit. And then this is the used kit from Active Auto Works.
I should probably go get the star of the show though, because it's in my office.
I thought it was in here. Look, it is. Well, at least half of it is.
Half of it's in there. The other half, right?
So we won't be needing it for a few days, but it's still fun to look at.
You have to do B-roll.
Exactly. Uh-oh, Chris is ready to be a dad.
I mean, superchargers are known for their wine.
That's true. Look at that. Oh man, so this is what's gonna make it faster than a GTR, huh?
Yep.
Like, should we do any cosmetics? What are you thinking?
No, I don't know how to do cosmetics. That's
Man.
I like it silver.
She
and
looks
I'm not
good.
a big silver car.
I know, I'm not, I hate silver cars, but...
Especially silver on silver.
Yeah, that's true. The E46 is iconic for the silver though.
It is. And the chrome, like, I'm pretty sure Mike still has chrome.
Oh, he does.
We make fun of him every time.
I guess we can start unboxing shit, right?
I mean, I think Christina's cooler than you though. She wrapped all of hers.
She did. Yeah.
You just like showed up here with some
I'm
like
lazy.
half-opened Amazon boxes.
I'm lazy. We got well, not everything, but all the fun stuff unboxed. It was quite a bit, I'm not gonna lie, but here's the head unit and the blower itself right here. Coolant expansion bottle. Then we have a whole bunch of more charge pipes over here, the oil coolers, a lot of random stuff.
No, I'm taking out shot glasses. You're doing important things.
Shot glass. Why do you have shot glasses?
David was in Germany for a design review at ZF. I'm way too technical.
So
I'm getting good at short stuff.
Nice and short.
David was in Germany, and he brought us back a gift.
We love it. It's the next morning, and Chris insisted on throwing the car back on the lift. We are about to just basically gut and disassemble the whole front end of the car. Exactly. Just rip it.
Just in pieces off.
We don't even need tools, just use our manpower. Of course, we started by disassembling the entire car, which includes taking off the wheels, the headlights, the front bumper, so on and so forth.
Yay! We removed a bumper, guys!
After getting the basic front end disassembled, we moved on to removing the air box, the secondary air pump, the radiator cover, and the electric fan. From here, Chris drained some coolant out of the radiator itself, and then we pulled out the coolant expansion bottle and the radiator. Ta-da! So we got everything removed off the front of the car. Basically, day one was just disassembling everything. But tomorrow's the good stuff. Tomorrow is when we are going to be reassembling and installing the kit itself. So I'll catch up with you guys in the morning. It is day 2, I think. I think it's day 2. But today, I feel like it's gonna be a quick day. It's already like 1 o'clock, kind of a late start to the day. and we're probably gonna head out a little early, but we're gonna at least break ground with installing the supercharger. So we got my laptop set up here with the instructions for a level 1 and a level 2. We're just gonna kind of bounce back and forth off of those, and about to get down and dirty.
Grinch twisting my arm. It's Christmas Eve. I'm being forced. Okay.
You weren't supposed to tell him that.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, right in the bucket.
We are currently in the midst of removing, we're gonna replace this power steering pump, and then the power steering reservoir up top has to come out too. I don't know, we're just kind of going off the instruction sheet. Also, peep my screensaver, it's pretty clean. Boy, oh boy, you guys. Well, yesterday was Christmas. This video is probably coming out like a few weeks after Christmas, I don't know. Last night, I was feeling good, spent time with the family, and I started yakking in the middle of the night, just throwing up pretty aggressively. It's not a virus, don't have a fever or anything, so I mean, I think it was just food poisoning, but we are forcing ourselves to work on the car still. So swapped out the actual power steering reservoir, and we also got a new bracket, which is going to give it a little bit more space for clearance for the actual supercharger and the supercharger bracket. We reconnected these lines, so this line is going to connect down to actually right here, like that. And then we also connected the main line down to the actual pump, which is right here. So this is the power steering pump. We did this from the bottom up, so we had the car up in the air. My original power steering pump was going bad. We swapped over this pulley right here to the new pump. After we got done with that, we started working on the tensioners. Just some other small stuff, like we did the disvalve, we took that out. So that was a little update, just because I didn't vlog a lot of that stuff, just because it's small, tedious work. But I am wearing a white t-shirt, and we're working in the shop. Probably not the brightest idea. All right, boys, on to the good stuff. We got double Chris action here. We got Chris and Chris. Chris squared, baby. Squared. And we're about to mount well, first off, we have to connect the actual blower together, and then we're gonna mount the blower to the bracket, and from there, we're gonna throw on the little idler pulleys, and then it's going on the car. I don't know if you guys can see the difference in the size, but this is
You could just put this one inside of the other one.
Literally, yeah, it fits in, like on top of it. Wow. So that's gonna give me like probably double the PSI almost.
Double.
Yeah.
All of it.
So it's gonna get, yeah, this is an 85 mil, that's a 70 millimeter. So we're going pretty small on the pulley, just because, why not? Oh, you're lying right now.
Dude, it's got underglow.
Stop lying right now.
This is some copyright, but
hit it. This boy got torque to it on a nice 30-degree day.
It's actually not terrible.
Oh shit, this bitch is fast.
My hand is here.
Well, these screws were too short to reach through the bracket, the actual supercharger, and the head unit of the supercharger, so we ended up getting new. Ho ho ho.
That was my Christmas gift to you, Grant. I hope you enjoyed it.
Yeah, he bought the bolts for me, so technically he owns my car now, part of my car.
Pretty much.
So, well, we got it clocked, or I guess we got the head unit assembled, I should say. We didn't clock it yet, so it's really, I guess we did clock it technically. It's clocked, yeah.
Very good.
Got the pulley put on, got the bracket mounted, so
Time to put it in the car.
dude, let's send it.
All right. Oh yeah. Why am I hitting the pulley? We haven't even done anything yet. Oh my god.
Okay, take the bolts out and then just try to go around the pulley. Is there a washer here? Yep, there we are. There we are! Genius I am.
You in? Dude, you gotta.
I'm trying to find the hole, dude.
You're in the hole.
Oh, I'm not in the hole.
I hope so.
Already in, baby.
Oh, now I'm in the hole.
Push.
Oh, are you telling me it's not aligning?
No
Okay,
way.
Push.
I'm in the hole. Okay.
There you go. There you go. Look at you go now. Keep pushing.
All right, I think we'll catch up with you guys.
Yeah, I'm walking literally.
Oh no, you're straight. This isn't the good shit. Got the bad boy on. It's mounted from right here and right here, and these two bolts actually go through the alternator and connect to basically to the block. I guess one thing that I do want to point out is that this is actually, so obviously it's a centrifugal supercharger, so it's belt driven, and it's ran off the power of the engine rather than like a turbo, which is exhaust driven. But this belt actually is gonna run off of the same serpentine belt for the entire engine. So if you come around to this side, you'll see that everything is in line with one another. So this belt, or the pulley here, is gonna run on the same belt as everything else. Whereas like the centrifugal on the V6 that I did, that actually we had a pulley that extended off the crankshaft and it ran on its own belt and pulley system. So just slightly different in that manner. Well, you guys, we got the like blower put on. That's probably the most exciting part other than the car starting up. And if you do want to see that, make sure to stay tuned for part 2, because we're going to be starting this thing up and giving her some rips on the straightaway right here. And I'm just so excited. So again, huge shout out to Seems Legit Garage and Chris for coming in clutch and helping me out all the time. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.